Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganit Shiksha. As this channel is based on mathematics, so here you will get all the latest updates and more important discussions related to mathematics. Today I am going to discuss with you about the deleted portions and unit-wise weightages and chapter-wise discussions from the subject mathematics of class 10 CBSE board. So before to start, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for upcoming latest updates. The Central Board of Secondary Education recently released the revised syllabus for all the subjects of class 10 board has deleted the some portion of the syllabus for the case of the students who are taking their CBSE board exam next year. Due to COVID-19, almost the first 4 months of this session have already passed in the passive learning through self-study, online assignments or online classes. So to compensate for the loss of this study period and taking care of the learning outcomes so that the core concepts can be retained for students, CBSE announced a major syllabus reduction for the academic year 2021. Now, let's see about the deleted portions of the class 10 mathematics for the CBSE board. You can see the unit 1, that is the number system. The deleted portion is Euclid division lemma. From the unit 2, algebra, the first chapter, that is polynomial, it has the deleted topic is statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients, pair of linear equations in two variables. Deleted portions is cross multiplication method. In quadratic equations, situational problems based on equations reducible to quadratic equations. Arithmetic progressions, applications in solving daily life problems based on sums to a terms. Coordinate geometry, that is area of triangle. And from the geometry chapters, triangle, proof of the following theorems are deleted, that is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. In a triangle, if the square on one side is equals to the sum of the squares on other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. From the circles, there is no deletion. From the construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle is deleted. From the topic trigonometry, chapter introduction to trigonometry, there motivate the ratios wherever defined at 0 degree and 90 degree. From trigonometric identities part, it has deleted trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. And height and distance chapters, there is no deletion. In mensurations, areas related to circles, it has deleted problems on central angle of 120 degree. And from the surface areas and volume, only the first term of cone has been deleted. From Unit 6, Statistics and Probability. In statistics, step deviation method for finding the mean and cumulative frequency graph is deleted. And from probability, there is no deletion. Now, let we see about the complete CBSE Class 10 Math syllabus for 2021 board exam. And here it has given with the unit-wise weightages and which chapters and which topics are remain in the reduced syllabus. We will discuss with it. So let's see. You can see the unit-wise weightages here. In number system, 6 marks will come. From algebra, 20 marks is coming. Coordinate geometry, 6 marks. Geometry, 15 marks. Trigonometry, 12 marks. Mensuration, 10 marks. Statistics and probability, 11 marks. Total 80 marks. So let's move to the chapter wise discussion. That after reducing the chapters which are left for this 2021 syllabus. This is Unit 1, Number System. First chapter is the real number, and in that chapter you can see that which topics are remain in the chapter. Unit 2, that is algebra. You can see algebra has the parts, 4 chapters are there in the topic algebra. You can see the first one, polynomial. Second one, pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Third one, quadratic equations. Fourth chapter from the algebra, that is arithmetic progressions. These are the remaining topics that you need to do for the 2021 board exam. Next, Unit 3, that is coordinate geometry, and in coordinate geometry you can see Unit 4, that is geometry. It has 3 chapters. First one is the triangle. You can see these are the remaining portions that you need to go through. Second chapter, that is circles. And third chapter, that is constructions. These are the chapters and the remaining portions from the geometry. In Unit 5, that is trigonometry, it has the 3 parts. First is introduction to trigonometry, and you can see the remaining portions. Number 2, that is trigonometric identities. And number 3, that is applications of trigonometry, that is height and distance. And you can see the remaining portions of it. Unit 6, that is mensurations. And in mensuration you have the 2 topics, that is area related to circles. And here is the remaining portions of it. And second one, surface areas and volumes. Only the frustum of the cone, that is the last part, has been removed, and others they remain same. You can see. In the last unit, that is 7th unit, statistics and probability, it has 2 parts. One is the statistics, the remaining portion you can see, and in probability there has no deletion. The whole part of the probability what is there, that is a very small chapter, and the part is remain. So this is all about the deleted portions and the remaining portions of class 10 CBSE board mathematics. Hope you have understood that whatever you need to go through the remaining portions. So hope you have liked this video. If you really like it, please click on the like button and share it to your friends, groups and mates. Also, those who have not subscribed yet, they can subscribe it and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching this whole video.